Hi, this is Reshma from my Robo Ninjas. So in the part 3, we want that our Robo Ninja to be coming from the left hand side to the right, and I want my backdrop to be changed. Like earlier it was Spacity 1, so now I want Spacity 2. So first we will be going in the coding for the Robo Ninja, and I will be switch backdrop to Spacity 2. Then in events, when the backdrop switches to Spacity 2, I want my Robo Ninja to walk and come from here. Okay, the same way how he came earlier. You can see in this. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to copy this. I will duplicate it and I will paste it down. Now Robo Ninja is walking and coming here. Now what I want, even my this ghost also to stand at a position, right? So I will be, and I want my Frank to be hidden. Okay, when the backdrop is changing to Spacity 2, Frank will hide. So just for your understanding, now just check. The ghost will stand when the Robo Ninja is coming in the Spacity 2. This should be the position of the ghost. So I will be coming in the ghost. The backdrop changes to the Spacity 2. The ghost will be at this position. So I will be just taking the position. And I want my ghost to wait for 2 seconds. I will repeat it for 15 times. As you know, we have these costumes. So I will say next costume with a wait of 0.2 seconds. And for the Robo Ninja, I want like he's running and coming, and then he will start fighting. So I want his fighting postures. So I will be selecting like fighting left, looking star, running left next. So I will just go here and I will say repeat only one time. First I want to switch costume to looking star. Then I want the switch costume to running left leg tends to give a wait of 0.2 second. And I even want to repeat here like 3 times. Inside this one repeat, I will be giving here 3 times. As the costume to be fighting left, I will come here and say fighting left, and I will be playing the sound clap beatbox. Okay, so we will check how it's looking. Okay, now what is going to happen after he hit him? The ghost should be hidden, okay, and the Robo Ninja to be going to the next space, next backdrop, and the Robo Ninja will be walking here. So I will just copy my this repeat until part, okay, but my X position will change. Here my X position for C, like Robo Ninja, if he reaches here, the X position increases. Okay, so I will just increase this X position till this part he need to walk and go. I will just copy my this part, only this much. It's fine. After that he will be entering to the another backdrop. That backdrop name is backdrop space. Go in the Robo Ninja and say here switch backdrop to space. Okay, so now the Robo Ninja to enter into the another backdrop, that is space, this backdrop. Okay, so for this backdrop in Robo Ninja, I want again he to walk in the same way, coming at the same position and fighting with the another one, that is the Frank. So I'm just going to copy the complete code. When backdrop switches to space 2, I will be just duplicating everything. Okay, so you have just copied the same coding. I've just duplicated, right click, duplicate, same copied, but only backdrop is changing here to space. And I will be just removing this switch backdrop to space from here. Okay, this is done. Now what is going to happen? This Robo Ninja is going and fighting this in space. So there in space we are having Frank. Okay, so I want when the backdrop is switches to space, Frank should be visible, Frank to show. Now where the Frank is to be shown, so that we can understand only while playing it. Then we can understand then where our Frank will come and stand. Okay, so what is happening here, that Robo Ninja is fighting and going, but Frank should stand here. Okay, so first thing I will just remove the Robo Ninja going part, like I will just remove this, and here we will play and see where Robo Ninja is coming and standing, so we can understand where Frank will stand here. Okay, so here Frank will, so in Frank this is where I've given the position. We need to go and take the positions. Now what? Now the same thing for ghost, how we have done this thing, the same we will be copying it for the Frank. How you will copy? You can even just drag this thing and put it here. So everything will be copied. Minimize it. Take it. Okay. So it already came here in Frank. Now you have to just change for space what we have written, and even the go to. You have to change the go to, and you have to even show here and just change this to space. Now you can again check. Okay, so now I want my this backdrop, and here I want a cage in which I want my Super Z to be present here. So for that I will be going here like in Robo Ninja. When everything was finished, so Robo Ninja will be coming from the right to the left, but he will be saying that now switch the backdrop to this, which is having the digital cage. I will be going here and I will say switch the backdrop to digital cage, and then it is space jail, and then it will wait for 2 seconds because during that time Super Z will be saying something. So, and then later Robo Ninja will be entering from the right to the left. Okay, so by that time we will going to the Super Z. First, when the program was started, this sprite was hidden. Then later, when the backdrop switches to jail, it will be shown at this position. So I will be just going and taking the position, and then it will be just switching the costume for the 3 times. I'm having this costume and right, so it will just switch it 3 times. I will say next costume, wait of 1 second, and by this time when it is switching the costume, he will be saying something, right? I told you. So in the sounds I've already recorded here, this is my voice.
My friend Robo Ninja, where are you?
Okay, so I'll be just going in the code and I will be changing the pitch because I don't want my voice, I want another voice. So I will just change the pitch effect by 20, by 10 or 20, whatever you want to write.
My friend
You
Robo
can just
Ninja,
clear the
where
sound
are
effects.
you?
If you have earlier used any sound effect, that will be cleared.
My friend Robo Ninja, where are you?
Okay, so 20 is fine. We will just set the pitch effect by 20, this for Robo. And then the Robo Ninja is entering from right side. So I will go to the Robo Ninja. What is happening here? That Robo Ninja is entering here. So we will be just copying this again. Okay, so now here we have just copied this part. Okay, but I will be just changing everything here. Like for greater than, I will be using this less than, and instead of 50, I will be using 100. And my Robo Ninja is coming from the left hand right to the left, so it will go in minus. And even this thing, this both will be also changed. My 2 costumes which I'll be using here is this one and this one. I will show you which I've used. This one, we will use this one, okay? Okay. Now what is going to happen? He came here, even he will be saying something. So I've already recorded my voice here. Not this one, sorry, this one.
Hey Super Z, I'm here.
Okay, so he will be also saying here, so I will be just adding this sound here. Now what is going to happen? Now I want they both to be, this sprites to be hidden and they both should be together visible. So I will say Robo Ninja to hide after this, and even to broadcast let's go. Now this message will be received by Super Z. When I receive let's go, even Super Z will be hidden because obviously he will be coming out, right, with his friend. So here now the friends are together. Here I have came. Okay, so now in my friends forever, when I receive let's go, I need to switch my costume to friends forever too, and I will also show at a position. This is my position, and then after saying this, I will play a sound. Just recorded my sound here.
Finally I got you. Yoo-hoo!
I will just add this sound here. He spoke this sound, spoke this word. They both will fly. So for that again I need to switch the costumes. I have 2 flying costumes. I need to switch the costume, flying together, and then again flying together too. Okay, now what is happening? Like when he say up to here. So on checking, let's check how it is being played. So we
My friend Robo Ninja, where are you? Hey Super Z, I'm here. Finally I got you. Yoo-hoo! Let's go!
okay. So here 2 mistakes we have made. First thing here, when the Robo Ninja is coming, he's saying that Super Z, I'm here. So that is like very late. Okay. When the Super Z is saying, he should be also very quick. And second thing is that the size is so small. I have not the size, so we will just set the size here. Earlier the size was 25. Now we have to set the size to 17. Yeah, like when Super Z have told this sound is came that where are you? That time I need to broadcast say message. You can broadcast. I will just broadcast say. So when that time he will be saying this sound. Okay, not before or after.
Super Z, I'm here. Finally I got you. Yoo-hoo! Let's go!
Okay, now here what we have to do. Now they have started the flying posture. Now this posture from here, it should go like the here. Okay, so now what we have to do. Here it is flying together. Okay, this is the costume. I need to add, then glide. Now from this position, it will glide to this position. Okay, so now we have switched my costume to flying together. The position was here. Now from that position, I'll be gliding 1 second to this new position. Now even the costume will be changed. Like first it was flying together. Now it will be flying together too. A little change in the costume. In the same way, then the backdrop will be changed. Okay, and even it will be going more inside this way. So you have to again pick up the position. Side position is traced. Okay, now the backdrop will be switched. I will be taking my new backdrop. It is this one, Metro. Switch the backdrop to Metro. Now when the backdrop is switched to Metro, they will be looking not here. They will be coming from this position. I will say go to. When the backdrop is switching, I will say go to at this position and then start gliding again. I will say glide till here. And the distance is more, so I will add the glide wait seconds more. Say for 2 seconds. Here the distance was less, I will be adding it less. 0.5. And then they are shown in the next backdrop, that is their bedroom. Now in the bedroom when they reach, they will be having the another costume. This one, happy costume. And when they reach to this with the happy costume, the position and the size will be also changed as per the room. So we need to check it how it is looking.
Finally I got you. Yoo-hoo! Let's go!
So our this characters are here only. I need them to at this position. And at this position the size is fine, but the position is changed now. So I will just give go to. I don't want to show them that they are gliding and coming here. It will be go to. And here even Robo Ninja will speak something which I have already recorded.
Welcome home, Super Z.
So you just go in the sound and you just record, add it, and then what? Then we have to end our story. So again, we will be having a message which is to be pop up. Mission save Super Z successful. And when the message is popping up, their costume is changing again. So now at the end, I want the title of the end to be appear. So now here it was like this.
Welcome home, Super Z.
Okay. So we have reached till here. Here saying here welcome home Super Z. After he says welcome home Super Z, he will be broadcasting the message the end for the title to be appearing here. And when the title appears, before that he will be again switching the costume to this Friends Forever. With the size change, the size is very big here. It's not looking fine. So I'm just changing the size also. Size is 70% is fine, but in the bedroom it is not looking fine. So I will just change the size to 60%. And even here when it comes a happy, so I'm just adding here a weight. Getting it? Now this message will be pop up. Okay, so for that I need to go in the broadcast and here in the message one, and I will be receiving here from the event, and when I receive the end. So when the message pop up will appear, when I receive the end, I will be copying above one from go to, just drag it down. We need to make some changes, but this thing is written more. Like I have designed this costume, Mission Save Super Z. We want this title to appear at the end. Okay, Save Super Z successful. So for this, I have reduced the size, starting size, and even the change by is 10. Fine, but this size I will be keeping 2, and then we can check. And I don't need all. Let's check. I need to even show because it is hide here. I will show. Okay, it is going very up. Still, it is not stopping because this condition here is not satisfying. So I will be just changing this condition for less than Y position. It is down only because I have given the Y position is less than. We will be changing the position right here. Instead of that equal, we will write here greater than 50. Okay, it's fine, but it is coming from the background. So we will put it in the front. So in the looks, we have this option, go to the front, come from the front. Now you can just go and add all the musics, whatever you want. I will be adding my music in my Robo Ninjas. Like for every backdrop, I am going to add the music. I'll be doing very fast. I will just show you the first one and then I'll be doing very fast. Just adding the sounds. I'll be showing you for the one, and other all I'll be adding it very fast. So when the backdrop is switches to the bedroom tree, that is the first one, I will be playing the sound movie one with the sound volume as low because it should be in the background. Then what is my next backdrop? Robo Ninjas Lab. There I want the sound this movie too. So I'm just duplicating it because after this I will be having the spaceship, again the same movie 2. Then we will be having the another one, that is the Space City 1, again movie 2. And I will be having the another, that is the Space City 2 and the space, again movie 2. In the Space City 1, again movie 2. Here when it is in the space jail, then it will be having the emotional music because they both have met, right? Yeah, so I will be playing movie 1, and then the backdrop is changing from here to metro. So at that time we will be giving the cheer song, the cheer music. I don't have a cheer music here. I'll be just adding your cheer. People are cheering. Now when he came to the backdrop, that is the bedroom, again this movie one. Let's see how it is looking.
Where are you, Super Z? I really miss you.
Breaking news. Our hero Super Z is kidnapped in space. He was on a mission to save Earth from enemies. Who will bring our Super Z back? Is he still alive?
Mission save Super Z.
Come, Robo Ninja, come. I was waiting for you to finish him. Ghost and Frank kill him.
My friend Robo Ninja, where are you?
Hey, Super Z, I'm here. Finally, I got you. Yoo-hoo! Let's go! Welcome home, Super Z.